The prickly pear cactus Opuntia is a unique and versatile plant found in arid and semi-arid regions around the world. Known for its distinctive flat, petal-like pods and vibrant fruit, it plays an essential role in ecosystems, traditional medicine, and culinary traditions. Despite its thorny appearance, this resilient plant has been valued for centuries for its nutritional, medicinal, and economic benefits. Interesting facts: edible and nutritious. Both the pods, knopples, and fruit tunas of the prickly pear cactus are edible. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, especially vitamin C, and antioxidants. Survival in harsh environments. This cactus thrives in extreme heat and drought by storing water in its pods and using a specialized form of photosynthesis called chemcrysylation acid metabolism. Medicinal uses. Indigenous cultures have long used the prickly pear for treating wounds, digestive issues, and even as a remedy for hangovers. Recent studies suggest it may help regulate blood sugar levels. Natural dye source. The cochineal insect, which feeds on the prickly pear, is used to produce a highly valuable red dye historically used in textiles and cosmetics. Erosion control and livestock feed. In some regions, prickly pear cacti are planted to prevent soil erosion, and their pods, once despined, are used as fodder for livestock during droughts. The prickly pear cactus is more than just a desert plant. It is a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and usefulness. From its role in traditional diets to modern scientific research, this fascinating cactus continues to prove its worth in both nature and human society. Whether admired for its striking appearance or valued for its practical benefits, the prickly pear remains an enduring icon of the arid landscapes it calls home.